Now let us take some more example to make it clear. See, let us suppose we have a carbon chain 1, 2, 3. A carbon chain in which 3 carbon atoms are there. Clear? Uh, First of all, we have to satisfy the tetravalency of all the carbon atoms. Clear? For that purpose, first we will number the carbon atom in the chain. This can be done from either side, from right hand side or left hand side. Let us suppose we are starting from left hand side. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. 3 carbon atoms are there in the chain, and all the carbons are linked by single covalent bond. Clear? Now, first we will satisfy the tetravalency. Start with carbon number 1. See, carbon number 1 has already one bond. How many more bonds are needed to complete its tetravalency? See, 3 more hydrogen atoms to satisfy its tetravalency. ये कार्बन 4 बॉन्ड से घिर गया. ये दिमाग में रखना है कि ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में जब भी कार्बन एटम आता हो तो उसको हमेशा 4 बॉन्ड से घेरता है इन ऑर्डर टू सेटिस्फाई इट्स टेट्रावैलेंसी. नाउ इन कार्बन नंबर 2, प्लीज पे अटेंशन, 2 bonds are already present. Clear? So in order to satisfy the tetravalency, only 2 carbon atoms are needed. See, tetravalency of second carbon atom is satisfied. Similarly, third carbon atom has a single bond, and in order to satisfy the tetravalency of third carbon atom, we will put how much? 3 hydrogen atom. So this is the compound. Clear? This compound is also written as like this. See, this is carbon. How many hydrogen are attached with this first carbon? 1, 2, 3. So it will be CH3. Then single bond, put here single bond. This carbon, second carbon had how many? 2 hydrogen atom. So it will be CH2. Then again single bond, put the single bond. And then last third carbon atom had how many? 3. So it will be CH3. Clear? Now we will write its IUPAC name. According to the IUPAC system, first of all we should write what word root. First part of the IUPAC name, word root, which will tell how many carbon atoms are present in the chain. Word root, then it is followed by primary suffix. Primary suffix which tells the saturation or unsaturation. Unsaturation we will discuss later on. So primary suffix we have to write after word root. So first see how many carbon atoms are there. We have done numbering 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom. For 3 carbon atom, what is the word root? Meth. First one is meth, eth and pro. For 3 carbon atom, word root is pro. P-R-O-P, pro. Plus, now see which type of bonds are there in the chain. In the given carbon chain, all carbons are attached to single bond. So therefore, what will be the primary suffix for single bond? A-N-E. In this way, this compound is propane. This is propane. Clear? Now we can write the condensed formula also. This structure is called structural formula, in which all the carbon bond and carbon hydrogen bonds are shown. But condensed formula will be, see, while writing the condensed formula, what we have to write? Number of carbon atoms and number of hydrogen atoms in all. So count the number of carbon atoms. See how many carbon atoms there? 1, 2, 3. It will be C3, and hydrogen. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be C3H8. This is the propane. Clear? Let us take one more example. See, let us suppose we have a carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are there, and all carbon atoms are linked by single bond. So first we will satisfy the tetravalency of each carbon atom. For that, first we will number the carbon atoms of the chain. That can be done from either side. We are starting from left side. See 1, 2, 3, From this numbering, we will come to know the word root. How many carbon atoms are there? 5. For 5 carbon atom, what root is? Pent. Now it's time to satisfy the tetravalency. सभी कार्बन एटम्स का टेट्रावैलेंसी को सेटिस्फाई करना है, मतलब सभी कार्बन एटम को 4 बॉन्ड से घेरना है। क्यों? क्योंकि कार्बन का वैलेंसी 4 होता है। तो इस तरह से स्टार्ट विद कार्बन नंबर 1 सी, एक बॉन्ड है और इसमें कितना हाइड्रोजन चाहिए? 3। इस तरीके से सेकेंड कार्बन आइटम में ऑलरेडी 2 बॉन्ड है, कितना हाइड्रोजन चाहिए? केवल 2। थर्ड में 2 बॉन्ड से ऑलरेडी घिरा है, केवल 2 हाइड्रोजन और चाहिए टेट्रावैलेंसी को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए। In the same way, fourth carbon atom is also surrounded by 2 bonds, and in order to satisfy tetravalency, we need 2 more hydrogen atom. Clear? फिफ्थ कार्बन, टर्मिनल कार्बन जो है उसमें केवल 1 बॉन्ड है, तो टेट्रावैलेंसी को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए we will put how many? 3 hydrogen atom. Clear? Now it's time to write the name. See how. First we will write word root according to the rule, word root, and then plus primary suffix. Primary suffix, which will tell the type of bond between carbon atom. कार्बन एटम के बीच का बॉन्ड कैसा है वो बताएगा प्राइमरी सफिक्स। नाउ सी वर्ड रूट, हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स आर देयर? 5. व्हाट विल बी द वर्ड रूट? पेंट। प्लस प्राइमरी सफिक्स, टाइप ऑफ बॉन्ड बिटवीन द कार्बन एटम। चेन में कार्बन के बीच का बॉन्ड कैसा? सिंगल है। सिंगल बॉन्ड के लिए क्या होता है? ANE, so it is pentane. This organic compound is called pentane. It is the structural formula of pentane. Now we can write the condensed formula. What will be condensed formula? C. How many carbon atoms are there? 5. तो C5. H को काउंट कर लीजिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So C5H12. C5H12 is pentane.